I want to give a big shout out to BlueHills for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this product. I'm really excited about it. Look how huge this diffuser is. Okay, this is 2,000 milliliters. Most diffusers you're going to see are going to be between 200 and 500 milliliters. I haven't seen one this big. You can see how easy it is to set up. It comes super simple. It comes exactly like it's shown, but if the parts are moved around or anything, there's a sheet inside that will tell you exactly where to put them back at if it got jostled during shipping. Mine didn't. It was perfect. It was immediate setup. Again, look at how giant this is. It fits 2,000 milliliters. You can see the max fill line there. I didn't fill it all the way up. And then listen, it's pretty quiet as well. And it puts a good output out. So this is for larger rooms, or if you want to maybe do any kind of like steam like facial steaming or anything like that. You want to do some aromatherapy steaming. It smells so good. I absolutely love this. And it will last for a long time. So it will just keep going. And it's got several colors that it changes. Really, really adorable. Really good solution to really get larger sized rooms for aromatherapy. I love it.